go and make something.
Going to trim it down. .230 by, what did I say that was? 150. Because this isn't like my drill holder that I actually made a plan, this is the difference, backwards and forwards. I haven't actually got a cut list. $150. I'm just going to do a quick dry fit here. See how much I'm out. Oh, there you go. There's what the first mistake I made. I cut that at 220, not 230. Oops. It's the nicer side, isn't it? This one's got a few splits in it. So no, it's the back, it doesn't really matter. Get this bottom one done. Get this bottom one done. Centre one's alright, so we can actually spin it around. Get this bottom one done. Beautiful. Here's my thought process. See, once that's in there, it's just sitting proud, just a little bit. It's maybe 2 mils, 3 mils, if that. Now if I had it sitting so that there was no lip round it, this could easily swing and fall off, although chances are pretty slim, but still possible. So my thought process is actually use part of the structure itself to rest it, and I may file away a wee half circle. Actually, I'm going to. So I've got a mixture of hardboard and I don't know what this stuff's called. It's hardboard with a textured back on. I can get 2 out of this one, 2 out of that one, and 1 out of the other. So should be enough. So I'm just going to cut one and we'll just see if it's a fits. All I need to do now is put the cleat on, and I have to work out where that's going. And cleat. So I'm now guessing you'll be wondering why, when I had a storage for all these tools, you're wondering why I've gone and done all that, especially bringing out the sanders, the grinders and the other tools up here. I didn't make a video on this one. This is just basically the same principle as the grinder. This is a multi-tool, and I've just made it so it's got a few different tools on it, and up the top it's just the sanding discs for it, and Allen key just drilled a hole. So I'm guessing you're wondering why I've gone and done all this. Well, the reason is I needed to find a spot so that I can store nail guns, and that is now down in here. So I've got the 4 big nail guns in here now. Up there I've got the small nail gun. So that's why I emptied that and put them up there. They're all now safely away. They have got a home. Everything's got a home up there.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And remember to click the notification bell icon, that way you'll be notified when I upload a new video. You can find us on most social media, including Google+, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter and Instagram. Please also consider supporting me on Patreon. See you next time. Don't forget to go and make something.